What's up, everybody? In this video we're going to be going over calendars and what you can do with calendars and the integrations you can make with calendars. So not only is this a calendar itself, we also integrate directly with your Gmail calendar, your Google Calendar, Outlook calendar, Safari calendar, Apple calendar, whatever kind of calendar you got, I'm sure that we can integrate with it. So if you put something on that calendar, guess what? It's on this one as well, because they talk to each other, which is super cool and very helpful. So essentially you're going to have your users on here. You have, if you, this is just going to be employees in particular. And then whenever you go over to calendars, you're going to look like one employee can definitely be certainly have things on separate calendars. Depends on how complex your business is. Normally, if you're like a sole proprietor, it's just going to be a couple users and then one calendar, maybe two calendars. If you have a very big complex business, then you're going to have multiple calendars depending on what's being done, like how many services are being done. Like if you have a general team meeting calendar, or if you have a calendar to get you to do certain tasks before you leave. All of these things can be very customizable, depends on exactly how you want it and how you read calendars. You also have groups. So groups can be like all of user one's calendars, all of user two's calendars, all of user three's calendars, or a global calendar where everybody has their stuff. So like this is every single task across the company wide. These are also really good to have like team meetings on or anything like that. That's going to be very useful to have. So also some new things that we have in here are service menus. And what a service menu is, like for instance, if you have a beauty parlor, and you guys are doing like lash extensions or nails or something like that, you can actually build out your service menu. And so somebody can actually click that they want their nails done and they want it done on this day at this time and book you based on that information. And this is actually going to work directly with your products. So as soon as they're doing all of that, they can actually check out and pay on your calendar. Super cool. We're gonna have to do another in-depth video on exactly how to build these out. Normally we would just build these for you, as they are a little bit complicated. It is at no extra charge. It is actually when you get set up, we do it for you. So if you have anything like that, we can absolutely get it set up. You can also have all your equipment in here. This is your connections, by the way. So your connections is like, for instance, you can be booked through Google My Business. You can actually enable that here. And then your local service ads, you can actually connect this, and then that way you can get booked through your ad as well, which is really, really neat. And then you have your preferences and your availabilities. So you want to have your widget, like how does the widget look? What day does the work week start on? All this good stuff is all going to be in here. And you're also going to have your what's new. So sometimes this isn't going to be on every page, but if there's something new on the particular page, there is going to be a little tab up here, and that's going to tell you what are the updates. You can now completely customize your calendar widget. You have a one-time link. So essentially, like whenever you send out that link, it only works that one time, and then like that doesn't work anymore. Then you have a permalink as well, which is a link that is always open to your calendar. So like if somebody clicks it, is a live feed of your calendar, like and the openings that are on it. And then you have a couple other little things on here. If you click these, it'll take you to an information page on exactly what is it all about, how does it work. You can come in here, you can create groups, you can create calendars, you have your preferences, of course. Sorry about that, guys. You actually have to be logged into a verified account on that particular, like as a staff agent, a staff person on that business to be able to look at the connections. I was having a hard time finding it, but this is actually what it would look like. So this is one of our emails, and this is like the linked calendar. So none of this was here for me a minute ago. Now it is. You can actually directly link your Zoom. There's my Zoom, and then you can also do your Google organic booking and your local service ads as well. So this is how you do. You can actually add a new one from your iCloud calendar or your Outlook calendar. All those will be there as well when you are signed into your account. Cool. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.